Omo, you go know say your coding don reach another level when you start to dey think about memory management, like who dey wash plate after your code don chop all the RAM finish. Today we'll talk about how Python and C++ they handle memory. And trust me, na two different parenting style. Python be like soft parent. Yeah, don't worry baby, I'll clean up after you. It's okay. C++ be like that strict African father. You use plate, baba wash am before I go flog your brain. Anyways, dey with me. Every program where you run, they use memory. Just know. To store variable, data, and even keep your code alive inside RAM. By RAM, we mean a random access memory. No go to say a goat. Let's say you declare something like this, age is equals to that. Python go automatically allocate small memory for that variable behind the scene. But in C++, you go do it by yourself. You see like int age is equals to blah, blah, blah. And if you need dynamic memory, now manual work, you go do them like this inside this code, that int with asterisk. You see you go they allocate them and you go they free them by yourself. In short, Python they cook for you, but C++ go hand you knife and gas cooker, and they go tell you say, oh yeah, go cook your destiny. Python gets something that they call garbage collector. If they walk around your memory like NEPA inspector, if you see variable where nobody they use again, you go just reclaim the memory. So when you do this kind of code for screen, so Python go say, nobody they reference this list again, I beg, delete them. But for C++, no garbage collector. Now you be the one-man sanitation department. If you do like this for screen, so memory see they hang somewhere inside limbo, leak don't happen be that. You must call this code with the screen, so delete none, so that I go clean them up. If you forget, your app go leak memory like bucket where rats bite. Python they use something they call free reference counting. Basically, they count how many people still they hold on or they use one particular object. If count reach 0, it go delete them automatically. But sometimes Python garbage collector they form lazy. No lie. It go say I go collect them later, especially for circular reference. That's why big Python apps like Django servers still get memory leaks if you know they're very careful. C++ on the other hand, you know the way to. Now if you allocate it, you free it. The thing they very strict, yeah. It's very strict, but it's efficient. That's why C++ still they rate for game engines, OS kernels, and high performance apps. But with the modern times where we did now, things don't change small. Make sure say you watch this video finish. Modern C++ get smarter memory tools now. For example, see them for screen. These things they help manage memory automatically, like small Python style garbage collector you grab, but still with discipline. Meanwhile, Python 3.12 plus don't also optimize garbage collection. You see, reducing pause times and handling cycles faster. You dey see so. So both sides don't they learn from each other actually. It's like African parents learning gentle parenting and gentle parents learning to shout. Switch off the lights. Now the harsh ones where they learn gentle parenting, now they funny me pass. I for copy neighbor. We listening, we don't judge. So the summary now say for Python, easy life, automatic garbage collection. But sometimes, wasteful. C++, baba, na hard life. Manual everything na manual. But blazing fast and super efficient. With the modern world where we dey now, combine both ideas together. Control when you need it, automation when you don't. You see So you want build AI app or automation tools, Python go treat you well. Or you want build gaming engines or trading system where you know what make it fail at all. Or let's say you want build gaming engine or trading system where you know what make they fail at all. C++ go give you raw power. At the end of the day, Python they manage memory for you. Then C++ they manage your character development. So choose wisely. One gives you peace of mind. The other one give you performance and stress in 4K resolution. So, bye.